The Sicon Construction Suite is installed within Sage 200, providing a fully integrated solution dedicated to the construction sector, centralising financial and operational information. Alongside standard Sage 200 features, this adds CIS, RCT, CITB, project costing, retentions and application evaluation features, all held within the Sage database. This solution is aimed at businesses requiring a real-time understanding of the profitability and progress of their construction projects. Sicon Projects for Construction. Full nominal to project reconciliation ensures all Sage 200 sales, purchase and stock transactions are recorded against a project. Labour is captured in projects via timesheet entry or through Sicon approvals, a web-based data entry solution that is available as an additional purchase. Key features include planned purchases, front-load purchase requirements at the start of a project and generate purchase orders as required. Hired-in plant and tools, plan and track hired-in plant for a project. Self-billing invoicing, generate a purchase invoice based on a subcontractor's timesheet data and their self-billing rate. Sage 50 payroll interface, link cost rate descriptions to pay elements, allowing for a date-driven export of timesheet information in a format that can be imported into Sage 50 Payroll. Cost at complete, review and reforecast the expected remaining costs for a project and track on a period-by-period basis. Revenue to complete, review and reforecast the expected remaining revenue for a project and track on a period-by-period basis. CVR, collation of project budgets, costs and revenue, and forecast for a specific period, detailing current period, year-to-date and overall project totals. CIS and RCT, an accredited solution handling the calculation, deduction and submission requirements for both the HMRC and Irish Revenue. The CIS module can be purchased standalone or included as part of the construction suite. Key features include online subcontractor verification, online submission for returns, production of monthly CIS statements. CIS deductions can be configured based either on nominal or percentages. RCT contracts are linked to the project or projects and subcontractor. CITB deductions are also available. Applications and valuations. Capture customer or supplier applications, record the valuation certificates of these and post invoices, credit notes, payments and receipts. Key features include nominal tracking of the full application process, ability to recognise revenue on application prior to the invoice being posted into Sage, valuation certificates to be allocated to multiple applications where applicable, construction sales orders, generate a contract sales order that applications can be drawn from and certificates matched against, subcontractor purchase orders, create a statement of works for a subcontractor that can be matched to their application and your valuation certificates. Retentions. Record, track and release both sales and purchase retentions. These can be retentions raised as part of the application process or via standard Sage purchase and sales transactions. Key features include options to capture retentions held from specific suppliers. Retentions raised from applications can be released at the valuation stage. Retentions can be amended, part released or written off. This is just a sample of the functionality that's available. For more information, please refer to our website www.sicon.co.uk.